thinly sliced chuck roast, y'all, made into beef tacos. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So yeah, y'all, I was at the grocery store and they had this thinly sliced chuck roast. And it was, oh my goodness, I think I'll make me some tacos. So the first thing we do, we gonna separate the meat. Hit it with a little olive oil. Some salt, of course. Season it up. Because we got a rain on it. Some steak seasoning. Now you can use whatever steak seasoning you like. Some tahini. Some people just use this on fruit, but I'm telling you, it makes this really tasty. And of course, a little bit of that paprika, y'all. And after we get all that good seasoning on it, we gonna hit it with the juice from 2 lemons. And then we gonna let this marinate for at least 4 hours, but I let mine marinate overnight. Now once we got all this good marinade all over that beef and got that lemon in, we gonna give it a good mix. Making sure that flavor is all throughout that beef. And we gonna get it in the refrigerator. Covered, of course. Now after letting mine marinate for 24 hours, I went on and hooked up my griddle with a little bit of that olive oil. You know, using my spritzy spritz, y'all. Instead of buying that cooking spray, that's what I do. I put my olive oil in my spritzy spritz. The same thing, y'all. Same thing. But anyway, let's get this beef on this grill and get everything cooking. Now you gotta realize that this is sliced real thin, so we not gonna be cooking this long. You talking about 3 minutes aside, y'all. About 3 minutes aside. And after a good 3 minutes, it's time to give this a flip. Now, of course, you know that depends on how high you have your heat. Now, I like my heat a little bit higher than some people. I don't know. So mine tend to cook quicker. My wife say I cook like I'm in the restaurant all the time. But anyway, after we them other 3 minutes pass, we gonna get that steak off. And these steaks over here, they need a couple more seconds, so I let them go ahead and cook. And then we got our flour tortillas on. Now we use flour over here. My wife don't really like that corn, but I like the corn. So sometimes, you know, I might grab me a couple corn ones, but mostly I just go ahead and grab the flour. That way we both can use the same thing. But anyway, let's get this beef on here. Get our lettuce and our tomatoes on. And this is that Verde sauce, y'all. You know that Verde sauce. You know what we make from them tomatillas. And we gonna get us a couple of spoonfuls of that. And of course, we got cheese on here too, y'all. So let's get us a bite of this. And oh yeah, I'm happy. But anyway, y'all, as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.